Oh wait, let's start by yawning. Hey, welcome to
I don't
the
know.
B&A show. I'm Brian.
I'm staying.
And
I can't yawn on cue, but I can yawn when I'm trying not to yawn.
today we're gonna do a reaction, and that's what we do.
How'd you find this guy?
I think somebody requested it. Yeah,
Man,
somebody requested it.
Those requesters are the best, dude.
So many requests, and
So
we don't
many.
get them all, but we try to get to them. Yeah, so this is like Georgia's Got Talent. Georgia in the former Soviet Union. Is that part of Russia or is it out? I don't know.
I am not one of those professors. I do reactions and comedy, so
Okay.
I don't know.
You guys
about
tell
geography.
us. They'll
I
send
don't
us
know
a
about
link.
geography.
They'll be like, Google it. Look at the
I don't
map.
know about science.
You don't know about much.
I don't know about science.
Yes.
What's your science questions?
The science of knowing where things are. Okay.
Let's get into it, man.
Let's do it. This is Genadi Tkachenko. Tkachenko. All right.
Okay.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Play.
Я Геннадий Ткаченко-Папиж, актер театра и кино. Долгое время я мечтал побывать именно в Тбилиси, в Грузии. Когда я приехал сюда, я походил по местам необыкновенной красоты и хочу признаться в любви к Тбилиси. Ой, единственное, что печально, не хочется уезжать отсюда.
Камарджоба.
Марджоба.
Ага.
Здравствуйте, здравствуйте.
Здравствуйте. Представьтесь, пожалуйста, откуда вы, как вас зовут и чем вы хотите нас удивить.
Я Геннадий Ткаченко-Папиж. У меня есть украинские корни, папа и мама из Украины. Приехал я к вам из Берлина.
Ага.
Вот, да.
Ну, что представите?
Ну, сегодня будет не совсем обычное действо. Это не номер, это полнейшая импровизация.
Ага.
Вот. Я хотел бы, чтобы мы все вместе попытались создать атмосферу космоса.
То есть тишины.
Да.
That's how he says shut up.
Ну, давайте попробуем прочувствовать, о чем же нам хочет поведать матушка Земля. I don't want
What?
Спасибо большое.
Спасибо за космос!
Okay, so what did you think there? What did you think?
He made some beautiful sounds.
Oh, I know. He's like remember that guy from Police Academy?
Michael Winslow.
He's like that plus opera or plus Muslim like Islamic singing. Like
Yeah, it's well, he did like 10 different things.
mm-hmm. Yeah.
And any one of them by themselves was amazing. But to incorporate everything, like you said, the singing and the sounds of nature, and sound like some Muslim people.
And that was an improv thing. I mean, I don't know if I caught he said at the beginning or I caught it later when I was looking at this video. He said it's an improvisation.
Yeah.
He's channeling something. When
There's a lot.
Yeah.
There's a lot of talent out there that's untapped and that we don't know about.
Yeah.
I mean, that was. I thought he was just going to sing. I had no idea what he was going to do. But when he started out with the bird sounds, I'm like, oh, okay. I like the sound of birds. And then he started, doing the opera. I'm like, well.
Even more, he did a sound like of a flute. Like it sounded like one of those South American flutes.
Yeah. I don't know how you beat that guy.
Yeah, I mean the judges would have to be like, "Oh, it's a gimmick. I want this other singer." I mean,
no, that's talent. Man. That's
talent.
Straight up talent right there.
Yeah.
I mean, I can see if he did one or two things, but when you're doing like 10,
yeah,
and we don't know what's next.
Well, like he didn't beatbox, so like, yeah,
man,
that was pretty amazing.
Yeah, it's crazy, man. You see somebody like that has talent, like you can prank people all the time.
Yeah. Is there a bee? What is that? Get it to work.
Yeah, that was good, man. I really enjoyed that.
Mm-hmm.
Like that, he could make his own like sound.
Yeah,
he could make an album off different sounds.
Yeah, he could do an entire New Age album by himself. Like, it doesn't need any production. That's crazy.
He does. Yeah, it wouldn't cost a lot of money. Just need a little bit of studio time, and that's it.
That's right.
Maybe, hell, nowadays, an iPhone, so.
Yeah, you would never think, if you saw him do that, if you didn't see who was doing it, you'd think, oh, they did all this and all these instruments and all that processing. But that's how good it was.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yep. All right, guys. We have no talent like that whatsoever. But what we do is Brian does art.
Oh.
And you can follow him on Instagram and a real moment of inspiration. Now, that is real nice, though.
Thank you,
I do
sir.
comedy. You can follow me at Comedian Stan Shelby.
Yeah.
Follow us, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. And you know what? I might take you on my private jet.
You might.
Yeah,
and we take requests, too. So comment and leave a link or something. We'll do something else you want
I would like to know what the people think about that video.
Yeah. What did you
think?
think?
And do you know of anybody that can outdo that video that we're going to be like blown away even more? Let us know.
Yeah. It's BNS Show. I'm Brian.
I'm Stan.
We're out.
Peace.
You're not bad at that. You're not.
Hello, Brian. Hello.
Woo! This is the dumbest video we've ever done. Woo! Woo! Alrighty then.
You good?
Yeah. All right, man. See you tomorrow. What do you want to do in the morning, or what do you want to do?